to Kampala, Uganda. We're able to do that with a lot of ease.
Jokanyo e sekta mar ochumi mar nembe onyiso luoro margi ewi lweny madhi nyime kind piny Russia, Iran kod Amerka. Giwacho ni thoth jogegi modak e pinje jo Arabu ngimagi oyudo ng'ikruok kaluwore kod monj ma Amerka timo e piny Iran. Koloso romo mar jokanyo matiyo e dho wedhe, jatatije Joseph B wacho ni monj makamano biro rocho yuto margi, ka ginyiso luoro bende ni nengo mauta nyalo biro idho.
That is in Iran is really going to have effect on the economy, given that we know that this is where oil is coming from. And also Bandari specifically, we have members in Saudi Arabia, we have members in Dubai. All those members is likely to slightly affect their income, which will again will affect the income of the members. We know very well that even in the coming months or weeks, the price of oil is likely to go high. So our hope is that this thing can be dispensed with so very fast.
It can be done, just play your part. Everybody to play his part. And the first line of defense, supervisory team, hapo msilale tuangaliane. It might be your friend, it might be your brother, it might be your tribesman. But if he goes astray like this ship will sink.
Think about what has happened to the developed world. Think about what has happened to mature economies. You are now, remember I said, if you are Taiwan, we must also do Taiwan things. By aligning their products and services with these priorities, SACCOs can further strengthen their relevance and contribution to the economy. I really wish to congratulate you, the board, the management and members of Badari SACCO for successfully reaching this